How to fix 5G network not working on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your settings app. The very first thing you want to do is toggle on for the option of airplane mode. Now wait for minimum 60 seconds and toggle it off. And then you can go and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, scroll down, open the option mobile service. Head towards the option of mobile data options. Make sure you have toggle off for the option of low data mode. Once you check that, head back. Open the option network selection. Toggle on for the option of automatic. Now head back to the main page of settings. Heading towards next solution, scroll down. Open the option general. Scroll all the way down. Click on shutdown. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. And again turn it back. Giving fresh restart to your device might also fix your problem. Now open the option transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset. Click on reset network settings. Enter your passcode to continue with the process and reset network settings. Now heading towards very last solution, you have to eject the SIM card and reinsert it. Applying all these solutions, your problem is definitely gonna be fixed. So this is how you can fix 5G network not working on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.